Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I do know what's in here, I'm pretty sure. I believe this is new stuff from Kershaw. So always excited to check out some new models from Kershaw. It's definitely been a while. So I appreciate Kershaw reaching out because I was absolutely interested in checking out a few of the models that they had shown to me. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I don't know why I'm pointing down. It's right here. If these models are available, I will link them right down below so that you guys can check them out. Let's go ahead and get into this box. My shipping information is on the other side, so I'm going to make the cut off camera. Sorry about that. And you know what else I like about this? People, by the way, if you're wondering, like this thing, the obsidian toenail, no, it's not actually obsidian. This was custom made for me by a viewer, and was outside of how it is shaped because it's an oddball thing. I love that the blade is so short because it keeps me from cutting into the contents of these boxes and damaging the contents. Okay, so they just wrapped them up here in some bubble wrap, and it looks like, yeah, okay, so there were actually 4 I wanted to check out, but it looks like they sent me their budget models, which is always nice. I like checking out budget models. Okay. This, I think, is what they call, well, they have it, we've got a little packing slip here with information. So this one is, I believe, the Heist, I think. And, oh, it's manual. Oh, okay. All right, so I think that what they call this is the Duralock. Now, this is a, you know, we see this a lot now, various companies using a similar style lock. But this is a bar lock using Omega springs. So this is, you can see the symbol right there, which indicates that this is an internal design. This is a Chinese Kershaw, so it's not going to be expensive. I do like that we're seeing D2 finally. But I'll say right off the bat, this feels a whole lot better in terms of, you know, fit and finish versus Kershaw's in China from the past. I have no idea who the OEM is for Kershaw's knives, but it feels different. It feels like, in a good way, it feels better. So I don't know if the OEM has changed procedures. If it's a different OEM, I have absolutely no idea. This information is not given to me. But it's not dropping immediately shut out of the, sorry, I'm just like playing and trying to do, I can easily reverse flick it. Whipping it closed, not so much, but yeah, you just have to give it a little bit more of a whip there. Deploying it, easy. The ergonomics are good, and the blade profile is good. Nice and thin behind the edge, and the cutting bevel is pretty darn even. I'm gonna guess that, by the way, the material here is some type of injection mold plastic, but we do have, it's feeling solid, so I'm guessing that's a full steel liner. Yeah, you can see it lipped right there. So the liners go all the way down, full steel liner, which is making it feel solid and not, you know, had they not done that, would have felt very hollow. We have this nice texturing here, which feels really good. It's just in one area. This screw is probably holding in part of that. I'm hesitant to call it a cartridge liner. It's just a recessed steel liner. But that's, you know, keeping it, because they don't have any screws in the middle here. That's just keeping it stable and from like lipping out underneath here. Look at that, how we've got the steel comes out to the edge so that the standoffs have a full surface to sit on rather than sitting on the lips of this injection mold plastic. Pocket clip is all right. Is there a bald spot underneath? No, but you know what? That's not bad. This will probably fray up your pants over time. Nice lightweight general EDC profile, but again, a note on fit and finish here. Centering looks great. A note on fit and finish here. This is nice. What is going on with the pivot? Oh, thank goodness. I was like, are you kidding me? Does this have does this have proprietary hardware? No. They stuck with Torx. This is cool. Okay, the Heist. I like that one. Assuming that they keep the price down on it, Yeah, I think that's great. And then this was the one that I was more interested in the budget department. This is, oh, good. Oh, good. The iridium, which I immediately like more. This is also, I'm going to guess, in the budget territory. We've got D2 steel. Real nice satin finish on that. Very nice. Edge feels great. This is aluminum, and it is it slightly? Yeah, it's slightly contoured. Nice backspacer here. Boy, this does look good. The clip will be recessed into the aluminum. Man, if they, hold on. Okay, so this one's ready to, yeah, this feels good. How about lockout on these guys? Ooh, really? Okay, I honestly expected that's where we would feel a little bit of, a little bit of goofiness is the lockout. No, these guys are solid. Are they running on, is it a combination of phosphor, bronze, and nylon? Tentatively, that's what I'm going to say. But nice, not bearings. Oh, yeah. Okay. Nice centering on that one, too. Yeah, okay, so I like them both. Really like this guy. I don't know what the prices are. I have no idea because I'm not able to check that in the time that I am watching. The time that you are watching it is a different time than I am creating it. So I'm not able to see yet the prices on these. Unless I'm able to and I just don't know, right? Which is sometimes the case. If the price is good on this, I really like this one. For what I assume the price tag will be. This is cool. Everything feels great here. This is a big step up from, I mean, the Kershaw USA stuff has always felt good to me. The Kershaw China stuff has been, not sure. So I don't know if there's anything that's different, right? If it's a who or a how, but these feel great. I would very much like to just give a piece of paper, a little slice of Ruski here. Yeah. Great. Just great. Good. Okay. We'll spend a little bit of time with these knives. You guys know the drill. This is not a full review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions, which is sometimes different, often very different than the actual review. I will carry these around and use them in incredibly basic ways, the way that a normal human being uses a pocket knife. So I mean like opening packages and just doing what I normally do. I'll be talking about the design, comparing and contrasting with other knives that have similar elements and how well Kershaw did this versus other companies, etc. Compare value. Mostly focusing on the design, right? And touching on some basic utilitarian elements, the same types of stuff that I normally do in my reviews. I will not do any comprehensive testing, resharpening. I don't have Rockwell hardness testing equipment or anything like that, so that's not what you're going to get. But if you want my thoughts on just basic pocket knife stuff, then you'll get that in the review. I think that's going to be pretty much it. Kershaw, thank you so much. This is great. I like this stuff a lot. So if this is available, like I said, I'll link them right down below. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.